Today we will discuss about complex number. In earlier classes we have studied quadratic equation. Let us take one example, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. In this, x square is equal to minus 1, and the square of a real number is always positive. That's why we have to extend the real numbers. Let us take iota, that is equal to root minus 1. Iota is equal to root minus 1 and iota square is equal to minus 1. Now we will write the definition of a complex number, that is a number which is in the form of a plus iota b, where a and b are positive, a and b are real numbers, a and b are real numbers. Okay. Now let us take z as a complex number, then z is equal to a plus iota b. This complex number has two parts. One is real part of z or imaginary part of a complex number. Real part of complex number is a and imaginary part of a complex number is b. Now we will discuss this with the help of one example. Let us take one example, that is 2 plus iota 3, that is it is given 2 plus 3 iota. In this one, real part, let z is equal to 2 plus iota 3, real part of z is equal to 2 and imaginary part of z is equal to 3. Okay. Now we will discuss about the algebra of complex number. But we will discuss about algebra of complex number. Okay. Now algebra of complex number, we know that we will find in this one first addition of complex number, subtraction of two complex number, multiplication of two complex number, and division of two complex number. Okay. First of all, we will discuss about the addition of two complex numbers. Okay. Let us take two complex number. One, z1 is equal to whatever you want to take. Suppose that is 3 plus 5 iota, 3 plus 5 iota, and z2 is equal to 2 plus 4 iota. Okay. Now for addition we will write z1 plus z2, that is 3 plus 5 iota plus 2 plus 4 iota. In this we will add real part different and imaginary part separately, means 3 plus 2 plus take iota common 5 plus 4, and then z1 plus z2 is equal to 5 plus 9 iota. Means when we have to find out the addition of a complex number, then it is z1 is equal to 3 plus 5 iota and z2 is equal to 2 plus 4 iota, then z1 plus z2 is equal to 3 plus 5 iota plus 2 plus 4 iota. Now we will add real part separately, that is real part of z1 is 3 and real part of z2 is 2, that is 3 plus 2 is 5 and imaginary part of z1 is 5 and imaginary part of z2 is 9, then 5 plus 4 is 9, that is 9 iota. I think this is clear to you. Now we will discuss about the subtraction of two real numbers. We will take same numbers for subtraction also, that is 3 plus 5 iota and z2 is equal to 2 plus 4 iota. In this we will do the same, z1 minus z2, we will write 3 plus 5 iota minus 2 plus 4 iota. Okay, in this one same we will do like addition, z1 minus z2 is equals to 3 minus 2 plus iota common 5 minus 4. It means z1 minus z2 is equal to 3 minus 2 1 plus 4 minus 5 minus 4 is also 1, it is 1 plus iota. This is the method for finding out the addition and subtraction of a complex number. We will do multiplication and division in our next video. Thank you for watching.